Hello and welcome to Spoon Barbecue, Tex Mex burger. So we have some salad, some tomatoes, some ground beef, some pickled jalapenos, homemade taco seasoning, some ground pandano, some sour cream, and then we have some cheddar cheese and avocado. First off, you take 2 parts creme fraiche or sour cream to 1 part grated pandano cheese and pepper to taste. Mix it, put it to the side. Then you will need to weigh your burgers. I'm using a little glass bowl, and in that I have exactly 5.3 ounces, so all my burgers turn out 5.3 ounces. Really good. Using the bowl. Using some tsangs stir fry oil on the pan. I gave this a crust for about 10 seconds and then maybe 15. It's a hot pan. Then I pressed it, seasoned it with the taco seasoning, link above. Then I flipped it when the gray had started to come up. Added a couple of slices of cheddar. Home sliced cheese is always better. Then using a salad as a base, a couple of tomatoes on the side, I put the burger on top. Then half a avocado in slices, which I top with a little bit of the sauce. It's up to you how much you want. And then a few slices of jalapeno, and there we go. Time to taste it. There we go, Tex Mex burger. Let's try it. That taco seasoning really worked with the burger as well. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.